Hello children, today's our topic is estimating weight. The weight can be estimated by looking at that object. Suppose I want to measure the weight of this paper flower with this paper clip. So, how many paper clips will required to measure this paper flower? So, the number whatever I will consider, that will be estimated weight of the paper flower. Estimated means what? Roughly calculated, that the number we consider in our mind. So, I think that we need 6 paper clip to measure this paper flower. So, the 6 is the estimated weight of the flower. Now, we will see the actual weight. How the way we will see? Now, see here. To see the actual weight of the paper flower, we need to measure it with the paper clip. So, I have placed paper flower one side and other side I am putting the paper clips. Okay, so these are the 3 paper clips I am putting, then 1. So, the flower is 4 paper clips heavy. Yes, children? So, the estimated weight of the flower is 6 paper clip and actual weight is 4 paper clips. So, children, in this way we have learned today about the estimated or estimating weight. I would like to add one more thing here, that in non-standard unit of measuring length, if we measure it, so it will differ person to person. Yes, if we measure with hand span, so it will differ person to person, because it is depend on the size of the person's hand. Okay, so it is not going to happen in non-standard unit of measuring weight or capacity. Why? Because in non-standard unit of measuring length we are using different body parts like hand span, foot span, like this. So that will be differ person to person. And non-standard unit of measuring weight and capacity, we are using the objects like paper pins or matchbox or crayon. If I measure or if you measure, the estimated weight or non-standard unit of measuring things will be same, because we are using object in this. Yes, children? So remember it. Thank you.